In construction, every minute counts. But how often do you lose track of where your equipment is? Whether it's a truck, a power tool, or an excavator, keeping assets organized can be a full-time job on its own. That's why 123 Works includes a complete asset management system, built to give builders instant control and visibility over everything they own, from vehicles and heavy equipment to electronics and tools. The asset grid gives you a clear picture of your entire inventory. You can filter, sort, and customize your view to focus on the assets that matter most, like which vehicles are in use, which tools are available, or which equipment is due for service. Let's take a look at our excavator. Every asset includes a full details page with everything you need: name, category, make and model, year, serial number, VIN, license plate, acquisition date, price, total hours operated, and last service date. With all this tracked in one place, your team can always find accurate, up-to-date information. You'll also find dedicated pages for maintenance, tracking both upcoming and past service logs, as well as a history page that shows how each asset moves from project to project. The Asset Management tab records drop-offs and pickups, so you always know exactly where your equipment is and who's using it. You can even attach warranty or insurance files and store related documents, keeping everything in one secure location. With 123 Works, builders get more than a list, they get control. No more lost tools, no more maintenance surprises, and no more guessing where your assets are. Everything is organized, trackable, and transparent. Whether you manage 10 tools or a fleet of equipment, 123 Works keeps your assets and your projects moving forward. If you think 123 Works could be a great fit for your team, reach out to us today to schedule a personalized demo